Your life is going to change now. I've been waiting for you. This is your lucky day. I don't know how you ended up on this page, but you won't regret it. I have sent an invitation to this page to exactly 45 people. You are one of the 45 chosen who will get a chance to earn money that will change your life. When I say that will change your life, I don't mean $250. I mean just sum of money that you can go home and stop working. It's like early retirement, but with a lot of money. Before you leave this page thinking I'm a complete fool, stay a while and listen to me. This is not another video where someone is trying to scam you out of your money. Because I respect you and I want to earn your trust, I won't make empty promises like everyone else. What is the difference between these scammers and me? First of all, I am Elon Musk, and I don't want anything from you. I will show you proof that my project really works. $500 a day. Just count it, please. $500 a day equals $3,500 a week, or $13,500 a month. If you still don't believe me, that's okay. If you expect to earn billions effortlessly, you might as well leave. $500 every day is not that unrealistic. Most people earn this kind of money for an entire month, some for 2 months. But what about the banker? This is the amount you can earn in one day without any problems. It would be a lie to promise you millions without working as others do. I admit it right away, which is why I challenge you. If you think that after watching this video there will immediately be $1 million in your account, then you might as well leave. However, if you're looking for a stable way to make money, you've come to the right place. So if you're a little intrigued, listen carefully. I will show you something you haven't seen yet, and it won't take you more than 2 minutes, I promise. And I promise you won't be disappointed. No one has ever tried what I'm about to show you. I'll only show it to you once. So be careful. If you leave this page, you won't have a chance to finish this video. Your link will expire, and so will your chances of making money. So before we move on, there is one important thing I need to remind you once again. I'm not an insurance specialist to bother you and then tell you that I want you to sign a contract for life. I will show you how you can completely change your lifestyle, how you can swap economy class for a private jet, so it's all clear, and I can finally show you what it's all about. My partner, who worked at a large private bank, knew how to make money in the financial markets. During the crisis, he tested our algorithm on a small group of people, and each of them earned more than $3,000 in the first week. Maybe you will want to search some discussion forums first, then you will be able to try. So go ahead, check it out, and you will find out. If you find someone who is not satisfied with our software, it will be a miracle. There is no one like that. In fact, it will allow you to make a lot more money. I don't want you to be disappointed if you only manage to make $2,000. Even that's quite a bit of money, isn't it? My shocking method means you'll be able to transfer, on average, $500 into your account each day. Every day, no matter where you are. You don't need any knowledge or specific profession. And what's even better, this method is 100% legal and ethical. This has nothing to do with Forex, stocks, or multi-level marketing, or any of the other garbage you see everywhere. This is what it's all about. If you follow the news, you have seen what all the headlines are talking about. So I guess you know that when the financial crisis hits, 99% of people lose their money. People become homeless overnight. But let me ask you a simple question. What do you think happens to the richest people? What will happen to the assets of the chosen 1% during the crisis? Look again at the headline. Banks are not in a bad position either. This is the main reason why. The rich are getting richer and richer, and that's the only reason my account looks the way it does. And why will smart people like me and you make so much money? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can replicate our success. If you watch this short video to the end, I'll show you how you can earn your first $500 today. Firstly, I'm asking you to forget everything you have ever heard about investing in the stock market. So let's get started. This is what it looks like. Nothing difficult, isn't it? Our fast algorithm tells you exactly what to do, and you just need to copy it. There's nothing difficult. So if you think like the others, I was never lucky, it definitely won't work for me. Or I've already tried trading and never made any money out of it. You can check for free whether this is the right way to proceed. It costs you nothing to try out my software, but you have to be convinced to use it. The results speak for our project. Take a look at the satisfied people who have already tried it out. I suppose there is one more detail that interests you. You are probably wondering why I'm not keeping this miracle for myself when it is supposed to make such a big profit. The answer is simple. I decided to offer the software to 45 people. These people, including you, can try everything out completely free of charge. In return, I will ask you to write a short review so that others who have to pay $250 for the software will know that it really works. The more happy reviewers I have, the more paying customers I will get when I start selling the software. But let's get back to the point. Imagine getting $500 every day for the rest of your life. No more complaining about not having enough money for rent. Go on holiday 10 times a year, no problem. Buy a house and pay off all debts, no problem. Send children to the best schools, go to the best restaurants, no problem. Imagine a life where you don't have to fear anything. The most important thing is time. If you start at the right time, you can make a lot of money. If you continue to wait it out, you will end up like 99% of other people. Isn't it time to finally take your destiny into your own hands? If you don't take action now, you will keep saying to yourself, I wish I had tried this when I still had the chance. All you have to do is open an account in our software and your account balance will start to grow. Before I tell you more, let me answer a few questions that I regularly receive. You don't need a lot of money to get started. Every broker has a minimum deposit to start with. The usual amount is between $100 and $250. You don't need a penny more than that. No, there is no catch. I'm not asking you for anything. All your money is safe and you can withdraw it back into your account at any time. It is only needed as starting capital for trading. Now, one more thing. Take a look at the form for the video. You will need to enter your email address so that you can continue. And that's it. Once you have entered your email address, you will be given access to the members section where you can watch everything step by step. So enter the email address you have access to because you only get one chance to look inside. Click the continue button and you will gain access to our program. $500 a day is waiting for you. I'd rather repeat. Enter your email address and check it again. We often release new and better versions of the software so that nothing is missed. To be safe, your email is protected and there is no risk of it reaching anyone. All information on this page is protected from misuse. Let's not forget that we have managed to develop much more complicated things than protection against hacker attacks. Today, everything is changing for you. You can call it a revival or otherwise, but I'm sure you won't regret it if you keep looking. Are you ready? Ready to continue. I look forward to seeing you at stage 2. See you in a bit. Bye.